Welcome! In this video, we will guide you through the installation process of the METTLER TOLEDO Databridge software. Before we begin, please ensure your device is plugged in and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network to facilitate a smooth installation experience. Locate the Databridge installation icon. Right-click on the icon and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. This step is crucial for granting the necessary permissions for the installation. A prompt will appear, asking for permission to run the application. Verify that the publisher is listed as METTLER TOLEDO LLC. Select Yes to allow this app to make changes to your device. Next, you will be prompted to choose your preferred language for the installation instructions. Please note that you can select the language for the Databridge application itself later. Once you've made your selection, click OK. Take a moment to carefully read the METTLER TOLEDO End User License Agreement. Once you have understood the terms, check the box to accept the agreement and then select Next to proceed. You will now be asked to choose the installation location. It is recommended to use the default location unless you have a specific preference. In this step, select the Databridge MSES full installation component. After making your selection, click Next to continue. For convenience, we recommend creating a Databridge desktop icon for easy access. If you would like to have this icon on your desktop, ensure the box for Create Desktop Icon is checked and click Next. If you prefer not to have an icon, simply uncheck the box and click Next to continue. You are now ready to begin the installation. Please review your settings one last time, and when you're ready, click Install to proceed. Please be patient while the program is installed. It is important not to exit or shut down your computer during this process to ensure a successful installation. Once the installation is complete, you will be prompted to launch the Databridge application. Click Finish to exit the installer. You have successfully installed the Databridge software.